Oh, um, we're playing DCS again. Um, that's I guess. That's fine. Um, I'm feeling the Hornet. Maybe this guy. And maybe the Thunderbolt or the Mustang. Um, but yeah. We're gonna go ahead and hop in the Hornet first. And yes, all these are mods. These are not in the main sim. Okay, how do I removed? Yeah. Number two be of course number two. Alright. So I'll just try and do maybe nice um, flight for you guys. Full power. And yes, the Hornet does have enough power just to get off the ground without burner, but I know we'll get a burner. Just kind of want to do it right after takeoff. Now, I've been playing DCS quite a long time before I posted my first video. I just never really got to know too many DCS tours. So, when I found Growling Design, I didn't even know I honestly just wanted to post a video. But now I watch Growling Sidewinder. I really like him. I have one of his t-shirts. Every once in a while I'll watch. I forget what his name is. I do watch it. I don't really know. I just kind of I forgot their YouTube channels. Yeah, and every once in a while, me and my dad will be flying. Me, my dad, and my brother will be flying on a private server. Go inverted here. you do start to lose your power when you're upside down for too long. So, yeah. No, I didn't have my master armor. It was on safe. I'm gonna go ahead and go with this burner. And I am really excited for the F4U. I've been wanting the F4U for years now, since it's taken a long time. I know I am very late on one of them, on one of the news things. It was on December 29th. And they're animating the G-suit. They're adding a bunch of stuff to it. It's really awesome how Magnitude 3 is doing. They're putting, because before my dad told me that before it was just one guy doing the entire F4U, and now I think they have the entire team now. No, I do not have I don't have the Apache, but my dad does. I haven't flown it too much, but every once in a while I'll go on he lets me get on his computer to fly his airplanes, since I don't have the Harrier F-15E Apache. So every once in a while I just want to fly the Apache, the BF-109, the Focke-Wulf 190. Every once in a while I'll just hop on his computer and just fly the Apache or the Harrier or whatever. Because I don't know if I already said this already. But it got an update, and apparently it's easier to fly. It's not as twitchy. So hopefully that's a good thing, because I flew the Apache maybe once or twice, and man, that was hard to fly. So I think we're gonna settle it there. Let's see how long we are. Okay, 9 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and land it. I have a technique for landing it, at least to slowing it down. So you do your normal thing. You don't go full flaps down. It sounds weird, but if you do it, you can put your nose up, like the F-16 and the F-15, how you land in those. You can put your nose up like those. Because if I do this, I won't be able to put my nose up or anything. So you can slow down usually, but I think I'll be able to land normally. Do the carrier landing. We're not gonna make it, we're not gonna make it. Never mind, we're making it. I just gotta set this thing down nicely. Isn't the nicest, but nice it's a landing and I can walk away from it. And I can use the plane again. Sometimes it's hard to slow down the F-18. That will do the Hornet flight. This time, you're going to be doing the Gripen, which is really weird because in order to fly the Gripen or the Gripen, we have to get in the Su-33 for a bit. I don't know why, but we do. Oh yeah, it's because it uses the Su-33 as a base thing. And it actually doesn't really fly the Su-33 though. Yeah, I guess we can fly just a tad bit, but I honestly don't like Russian aircraft too much. Even though that the Su-27 is absolutely humongous. It's not huge, but it's still pretty giant. Once you get some speed, we're just gonna do a couple maneuver.
Minimum speed.
But yeah,
Minimum speed. Pull up.
So now we can hop in the JAS 39 Gripen. I'm just gonna make sure it's only me. Go ahead and do this paint. I like this one. This paint. I think I'm gonna have to remap it. I don't know. Okay. Yes. Okay. 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 I remember that. Now this one has a weird afterburner. It just sounds weird, at least. Get up, ears up. It is kind of wonky to fly. It's definitely different than what I'm used to. Well, honestly, it's that here. Yeah, honestly, it's not that bad. It's not that bad of a flyer, honestly. We can try and do a high alpha. Oh yeah, we're gonna die. Oh, yeah, it's an interesting mod. Let's just say that. When you touch something, the wings come off, and it's a delta wing. So we kind of need that for elevator and roll. I haven't flown it in a while, but it still is a pretty darn good plane. Whoa! That's not gonna get up around. And I am not very good at flying this airplane. It is a mod. It is not in the base game as well. So, keep it like this. Stay flying, hopefully. Honestly, it's a nice flying aircraft. If you get the chance to download it, I would download it. I forgot his YouTube channel, but it's something along like Spino something, and he's doing a F-15EX. If you go onto his channel, you can go into the link, and you can go onto his thing. Wait. I'm not sure if that's where I saw it. I don't know. It's been a while since I've been on his, but I've tried to download the UH-1 CD or whatever. I wasn't very successful. I didn't really want to do the T-38 Goshawk, I think. But yeah, I think let's put it here. Yeah, this thing does not like getting slow, but I'll make it get slow. I can make things go slow even if they can't. Then you need enough power. Shit, recording. I think what I'll do is just a different airplane. No, let's use the same base. I said that we would do the A4, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the A4. Here it is. This is my grandpa's painting. My dad made it for both me and him. And yes, this is a mod. Okay, it still remembers. That's fine. Put down some files. Yeah, that'll be a problem. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, we have to move it around with the mouse. Okay. This is a pretty squirrely aircraft to fly. But it is honestly a nice aircraft. It flies Okay, once you're up to speed though, it's almost Mach. Almost. Sorry guys for coughing and stuff too much, but yeah, that is a. Man. I don't know why, but I just cannot clear my throat. And I'm not sure if any of you know, but you probably do. The those slats, those are not controlled by any hydraulics or anything. They're just by G-forces. They just popped out by G-forces. Let's go ahead and do a little couple of them. So yeah, honestly, this is an awesome aircraft. I honestly like it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and back up the throttle, pop out the air brakes. And this thing does not need a a model for you to do to fly it, honestly. Ooh, it's getting a bit slower. So I'm gonna go ahead and put down some flap. I'm just trying to find where the runway is. Man, it's. I woke up a bit ago. Whoa, no. At the time of me recording this. Well, that sucks. But yeah, I think I'll end it there. See you guys in a different video.